Well, a major shift in federal marijuana policy. Medical marijuana is being reclassified to a less restrictive category. Supporters say it could open the door to more research and financial relief for the industry, while critics warn it may send the wrong message about safety. 10 Tampa Bay News reporter Kristen Barbarisi breaks down what this change could mean.
Supporters of the reclassification say this opens the door to additional research into the uses of medical marijuana, but opponents say they are already preparing a legal challenge to the decision. The change moves medical marijuana from the most restrictive category under federal law, reserved for drugs with no medical use like heroin and LSD, into a less restrictive classification. But for consumers, experts say the immediate impact will be limited.
For the day-to-day consumer, this doesn't change anything. Eventually it will.
Instead, the biggest changes are likely to happen behind the scenes. Supporters say the shift could give licensed companies access to banking services and federal tax breaks and expand research into medical uses.
This allows research to be funded to prove what benefits cannabis provides. I would like to see it more targeted on pain relief, because it is an excellent alternative to opiates.
But opponents argue those benefits are being overstated and say research can already be done under the current system.
We have a lot of research on drugs that are in Schedule 1. It's just a little bit more restricted. Moving to Schedule 3 certainly loosens up the restrictions a little bit. Not really going to have a massive impact on research, I don't think. But we can do more research without legitimizing this industry.
They also raise concerns about potential public health impacts and say they plan to challenge the change in court.
We expect this to be struck down in court very quickly. It's not even a hard sell.
The DEA does have a hearing about the reclassification scheduled for June 29th. Reporting in St. Petersburg, Kristen Barbarisi, 10 Tampa Bay News.